Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to unbox this lampshade that I have bought from Amazon, and it costed me around 3200. For all other details you can see the description box. So let's start. So you can see that they have covered this lampshade with the help of this MDF sheet so that it will not move inside the box and it can be saved from the damages. So let's see what else is there inside the box. So it has come with this lampshade, and one 9-watt bulb was also there inside the box. You can see. One thing that I really liked about this lamp is its packaging. It was very neatly packed and literally no damages were there. Now I'm trying to remove this top sheet with the help of a screwdriver. So let's do it quickly so that we can move to the assembling part. So now I am taking off this MDF sheet, and you can see that lampshade is looking like this, which is again very neatly packed. And when I removed this canopy, I saw that it was also covered in a polythene type material which saved it from any dust and damages. So let's move on to this stool type of thing which we are supposed to stack over each other so that the base of the lamp can be made. So there were total 3 units that were connected to each other with this help of plastic fastener. These units were packed upside down. So at the base of this third unit, instruction manual was there that you can follow for assembling. However, all the minute details were missing, so I had to figure them out myself by hit and trial. One thing that I really liked about this lamp is that they have used Dr. tape to stick this instruction manual to the assembling unit. So when I removed it, it left no signs of stickiness or anything like that which a normal tape would have. They have provided this packet of screws with this lamp, and it was stick to the top part of the base. So let's assemble it quickly so that I can show you the most awaited part, that is the final look. And now the base is ready, and I am going to put this canopy over it. You can see the height of the lamp, it is taller than me. So I am trying to fix this canopy. So once you are done with the canopy, you can fix the bulb too. And now you can see the final look is coming out like this, which is, I guess, amazing. If you are looking for a floor lamp, then you should definitely check out this lamp because it is super classy, super affordable, and you can see the quality, the look, everything is up to the mark. And then you can use any of your decorative pieces to enhance the look, like I have used Buddha head and this antique showpiece which I have bought from Flipkart. And in case you want the links, you can tell me in the comment section. So that's it for today, but before leaving, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel also, because I'll be coming with more such videos. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.